Your Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner in this matter. As per direction, Your Lordship, I am filing the affidavit in service as per the last order, Your Lordship.
You are Imtiaz Ahmed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are Imtiaz Ahmed.
No, Your Lordship.
Previously, one Imtiaz Ahmed appeared.
Yes, Imtiaz Ahmed appeared, Your Lordship.
Where is he?
He's unwell, Your Lordship. He's not available. I'm pleading. I'm holding his brief and I'm pleading for this matter, Your Lordship.
Yes, why the answer script has not
My
been
lord,
supplied?
for the exam, there was a notification issued in the website for particularly examination of 2024, my lord, handing over. But it has been specifically stated that for RTI within 16th July 2024, application is to be made. My lord, this is the notification. It is available in the website. And my lord, he made an application under RTI.
12 September 2024.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, in the same website, Your Lordship, this PDF was downloaded, Your Lordship, which mentions there is a timeline of 180.
Wait, allow me to go through this paper.
এটা আমার দেখো একবার এটা আবার দেখি আমি This is just a general notification how to apply, but this is a specific notification for 2024.
Under the Right to Information Act, there is no such stipulation. How do you can
Lordship, I have taken
you can
instruction.
make condition?
I have,
condition therein.
Lordship, I have
Because
taken,
in terms of Pritam Rouge, now you are giving.
Lordship.
Pritam Rouge is silent about the time limit which is being attempted to be incorporated now.
Lordship, I have taken instruction to that effect also. My lord, what I am told you, Lordship, because my lord, Madhyamik it is not end. Every year it is going on. So my lord, if we
No,
don't,
if you have the copy of the answer
my lord,
script,
we have. It is not that we don't have. Only, but only difficulty. What I
therefore you cannot take this stand.
because my only
Because
difficulty is
the right of the petitioner
no,
emanates,
well, as per rules within
right
six
of the
after
petitioner emanates from Right to Information Act 2005. Which
Lordship.
is silent about the time stipulation.
Yes, but my lord, in our rules,
and in the order of Pritam Rouge passed by passed by our court, there is no time.
Lordship.
Only condition, if the document is destroyed, nothing can be done.
In
If
our
document is not destroyed,
not yet destroyed because well, 6 months is the time as per
Supply
our
the
rules with it. Well, if your lordship directs will supply,
by
but
making
only
this
only
administrative order, statutory provision cannot be
well, within 6 months from the
cannot be
publication.
overlapped. Sorry?
My lord, yes, lordship. I bow down to your lordship, but what is I'm submitting a lordship that it is with us only because my lord, as per our rules, within 6 months from publication of the result, it is destroyed. So my lord, this November. Not destroyed yet, but November the 6 months expired.
No, prior to that, his application was made in September.
But that will not.
That is before destroying the period.
No, we have not yet destroyed.
Yes, that you have submitted.
Yes, we
and
have
petitioner has applied on 12th September.
Which he should have applied in July, but
no, that is in terms of your administrative order. How administrative order can take away the statutory right of the citizen of our country?
Only why we frame our time frame. Well, may I submit, your lordship? Why if your lordship that will give, but what difficulty we face, your lordship, that is if we don't fix a time frame.
Administrative convenience, whether the statutory right can be taken away.
Next examination from 2nd February. So, my lord, everything has started.
Like in transfer matters, suspension of portal. What court is passing order?
But here
the suspension of portal cannot take away the statutory right of transfer.
But
similarly, the right of the petitioner and the citizen of the country emanates from Right to Information Act 2005.
But
that can be that can be curtailed by an order of your president.
If the answer scripts
or deputy secretary academy.
If the answer scripts are available, are not destroyed,
supply the copy.
Not destroyed.
I don't invite this court to pass an order. Supply the copy within 7 days.
Well, not 7 days, a little more time. Why? That is the reason I'm asking.
Why?
Well. Because more than 10 lakhs answer scripts now they are not in a position.
By fortnight.
At least 1 month time, your lordship. Because this examination procedure is going on.
The examination will start in the month of February.
Because we have already all things started.
Yes, I know this thing.
The right of the petitioner.
More time.
Petitioner's daughter.
Steps they are dumped.
Then I will direct 48 hours.
Well, this is not in a
Lord, she is
proper
not able
process
to
way,
choose
Your
the
Lordship.
subject of
What
his
comes
her choice.
Your Lordship,
So,
let us
affidavit
find out.
service filed on today. You have filed affidavit service.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Matter relates to first affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on. Next paragraph. By presenting this writ petition, comma, inter alia, comma, petitioner has prayed for supply of authenticated copy of answer script of physical science paper
Physical science, yes, your lordship. She has scored 21 marks in the
for
written.
the physical science paper of Madhyamik examination 2024.
Yes, your lordship.
Madhyamik examination 2024. Stop. Stop. An application was made under the relevant provisions of Right to Information Act 2005 on 12 September 2024 before the concerned authority of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. But till date, copy of the answer script has not been supplied to the petitioner. Stop. Ms. Bhattacharjee, learned advocate, submits that though a time has been stipulated, vide notification dated 2nd May 2024, issued by the Deputy Secretary within bracket academic close bracket and SPIO within bracket HQ close bracket West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. But if court directs answer script can be supplied to the petitioner since the same is not destroyed. Stop.
Well, on direction of court, I'll do. Well, this submission, my lord, I have been asked not to make.
Then I have to set aside this order.
No,
this
my lord. We will
notification.
supply. We will supply.
No, I will set
Direct-
aside this notification otherwise. You have to take a stand. This notification cannot stand in the teeth of the statutory provisions.
Lordship.
If you invite me, I
No,
will
Lordship,
not
Lordship,
hesitate. Otherwise, I have to record your submission. What can be done? Stop. কি বললাম সেন্টেন্সটা? Since the same is not destroyed as yet. Stop. Next paragraph. As a special case,
Lordship.
as a special case, since petitioner applied for supply of answer script before expiry of 6 months on 12 September 2024, when your result published?
2nd May, Your Lordship. 6 months from the publication of result.
No, 2nd May 2024 application was made for supply of answer script.
No, no.
Yes.
2nd May.
Result published on
Result
2nd,
2nd
right?
May and 6 months from the publication of result.
হ্যাঁ কি বলছিলাম? Taking note of the fact that result of Madhyamik examination 2024 was published on 2nd May 2024. As a special case, concerned authority of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education is directed to supply answer script of physical science paper of Madhyamik examination 2024 to the petitioner by 3 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
My presence may be recorded, my lord.
Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of. There shall be no orders to cause starting.